Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back time and time again to watch these silly little videos. I did just want to keep you updated on what my life has looked like recently. I know I promised in past videos to do that, so I thought it was only fair to sit down and give you a down low on what life has looked like for me. First of all, our travel day was absolutely bonkers this time around. So when we were leaving from Tampa, we boarded this plane. Now this plane, the airline was called Discover Airlines. It was a branch of Lufthansa, I'm pretty sure. Needless to say, I had never heard of it. None of my cast had heard of it. So that was the start of a little bit of hesitation for all of us. So we got on the plane, we pulled out of the spot, we're about to get on the runway to fly away. The plane stops. There's an announcement made over the speaker. We're gonna be turning off the plane to save the gas. There's some bad weather ahead, so just sit tight. And that's exactly what we did. The whole plane turned off, the air conditioning turned off. There were so many people on this plane. I mean, it's an international flight. It was so hot. So anyway, our flight was from Tampa, Florida to Frankfurt, Germany. We ended up missing our connecting flight in Frankfurt, which we were able to get put on another flight, which was only 3 or 4 hours later than we had anticipated. It was not too bad. Got on our plane smoothly and we were able to fly to Civitavecchia, Rome. So once we made it to Rome, they had actually put us in a hotel in Civitavecchia, which was about a 30-45 minute ride outside the city of Rome. So we took a bus to Chivi and it was so nice. We got there around dinner time. They had dinner vouchers for us and they sent us to this Italian restaurant. We had such yummy pasta and focaccia and it was so good. It was just a great night and the sunset was beautiful. So the next morning when we woke up, we did have to get ready to go to the ship. But when you embark a cruise ship, let alone a luxury cruise line, you are kind of expected to kind of dress up business casual or something that makes you look presentable when you're boarding the ship. So because we were the new embarking cast, we had to get dressed up and I just wore a little white dress, curled my hair, did some makeup. It was great. The ride from the hotel to the ship was not long at all. It was 10-15 minutes, not even. And the whole time I was giddy. I was so excited, not only to embark the ship, but also to see my fiance, Nimesh. It had been 6.5 months since we'd seen each other, so I was just beaming from ear to ear. It was precious. I texted him once I got to the gangway of the ship and I said, please, can you come out and see me? I didn't know if he had been working and he came out to one of the decks above where we were embarking and he waved to all of us. The whole cast was out there and I was smiling so much. Our reuniting was just so special. Once I got on the ship, I got to give him a big hug and yeah, it's just been amazing since being on board and being together again. Nothing is better and I'm just loving every second of traveling the world with him and spending as much time as possible. So once we got on the ship, we had to take all of our luggage. It was actually kind of funny. We had to carry each piece of our luggage up the gangway. We had 2 checked bags, like I've told you, 1 carry-on, and then a backpack. But these bags were so heavy. They have my whole life in them for the next 8 months. Once we got on board, we had to go straight to the crew area where they would check our luggage, put it through a security scanner. And then we had to go and fill out a bunch of paperwork, basically sign our lives away. We're gonna be here for the next 8 months, so we had to read through a bunch of papers and turn in our medical forms and our seaman's book and our passports and things like that. I personally like to move things and get things situated in my room the day or the day after I get here. I want it to feel like home, because one thing about me, I do not like living out of a suitcase. So for me, making this space feel like home as soon as possible was very important. So the next few weeks after we moved on board, we were in a process called install. Basically, install is where we put the shows up to their full capacity, involving costuming, lighting, design. We have our stage manager that joins us on the ship, and basically we incorporate all of the other elements that make the show be its full production quality. Install is always a very, very, very long and tedious process. Honestly, we have such a great cast that I really did not mind the process at all. I'm just blessed that I was put in a cast with such amazing people who are willing to put the work in and get things done. Yeah. As a part of install, there are a few other things that are incorporated. So first of all, we have something called a cue to queue. A cue to queue is basically where go from each cue in the show: lighting cue, set cue, anything that has to do with elements outside of our main performance. That's what a cue to queue incorporates. For the vocalists, something called a sits probe. That is where we'll just go from the opening of the show to the closing all the way through, and we'll sing through all of the numbers with the band or the track, depending on what show we're working on. Also, before every show, we had a costume run. Basically, we would get into our costumes and we would go from the top of the show to the close, and we would make sure everyone would make their entrances and exits in each of the costumes that they were meant to be in. So other than installing the shows, as far as putting up our productions and performances, we did have to start doing some trainings. So once you board a cruise ship, it is important to start looking over all of the important information in regards to ship safety and things like that. So we have had to attend a few trainings here and there. Nothing crazy yet, but it is important to keep up with that information, as well as our performing. We've also had to take a safety test. The safety test, it was just a general knowledge of the information that we need to know while working on a cruise ship. Things like lifeboats, muster stations, and different things like that. So all of us passed. We are ready to be working on a cruise ship, and we will keep you safe the most we can. We've also been traveling to some beautiful, beautiful places while in install. We haven't really been able to get off a whole ton, but we've been super lucky. Our install director, she definitely made a point to let us get off when it was possible and necessary. So we've been to so many beautiful places already. Like I've said, we're in Europe, the Mediterranean, so we embarked the ship in Italy. The first cruise we were in Italy and Greece. Honestly, this itinerary at the front end of our contract is so good, and I'm so excited to document more and more for all of you. Moving forward, I am not entirely sure what I'm going to be making content on, but I promise I will be filming as much as possible. I'm going to be traveling the world for the next 8 months, and honestly, it is like a passion of mine, so I would love to share that with all of you as well. I want to thank you for coming back and watching this video, and if you could give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more like this. Stick around if you want to see some clips that I have taken over the past month or so during my process of moving on board this ship. Thanks for watching. We are officially packing. This bag is officially 50 pounds even. I thought you guys didn't have to pay for your bags. Found. How are you feeling about today?
I'm feeling good. Yeah. I'm really excited for whatever the next time to be able to lay down is.
Yes.
It's been a lot.
Yes.
Very excited.
Excited. How are you feeling about today?
I'm excited. I can't wait to see the ship in my room.
We're on our way. See you.
a star.
You too? Are you feeling for the show?
I feel good. I need more coffee, and I'm a little sleepy, but let's do Divos and Divas.
So
These are the costumes. Here's Chloe.
Here's my
Beautiful.
costume.
Beautiful, Kelly. Little twins. And that is Celine. Look at how pretty.